Today, we're hopping on the Santa Claus Express for the ultimate Arctic adventure through snow-covered Lapland. We will be spending 12 hours aboard this legendary double-decker night train, boarding in Finland's capital, Helsinki, and making our way north to Rovaniemi, the official home of Santa Claus.
Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas!
In this video, we will take you on a tour around our private, cozy sleeper bunk bed cabin, fit with its very own ensuite shower and magical Polar Express-like views.
All aboard!
We will make pit stops at their onboard restaurant, tell you just how much it's going to cost you, which for Nordic prices actually really surprised us, and show you exactly how to book it because you can't just buy it online. To save a little bit of money, this journey starts at a local supermarket to grab some snacky snacks for the ride. We got Finnish sweets and a Finnish drink for our train journey. Wait, because I love snacks! That wasn't worth fun, I got Rebecca.
Also, if you want to get some Finnish sweets when you're here, go to this store. Look up that one. It's obviously a chain. Right around the corner from our hotel, and pretty much 90% stuff in there is Finnish stuff.
We checked out of our cheap Helsinki hotel and made the 15-minute walk through the snow to the main Helsinki train station. At the time we went, we weren't sure if the train station would have any food, so when we stumbled across Finland's version of McDonald's, Hesburger, of course we had to pick up a couple of burgers to try them out on the train.
I'm excited.
I've always wanted to do this ever since, and to be fair, ever since I seen Flying the Nest do it, I was like, I want to do this.
I haven't even Fiona's this friend. We're like polar opposites.
To the
Fiona likes to watch so many videos, prepare himself so much for things, and I don't like to know anything about it. Like, I like to know a little bit, but
I watch too much and you don't watch enough. I feel like there should be a middle ground.
yeah.
But the main reason, because we're on there. Oh, is there Santi? Do you see him? No.
I don't think there is something.
No, look. Up. Right. There.
That's so cool. Whoa.
Woohoo!
12 hours sitting down.
I can see they look lovely.
Ooh.
And we passed the.
Ooh, it's snowy.
We're literally. I think we could be the last cabin.
I think so, yeah.
And it leaves in what, like 4 minutes?
Yeah.
We're 61.
Our medium pace position.
With our medium paced. I don't even know what it was. Finnish Burger King. What's this? 60. We're the next one. Oh god, the snow. I'm looking forward to. I don't think I've ever really looked forward to like a 12-hour train ride, but I'm really looking forward to this. Oh, they look. We're upstairs, aren't we?
Yeah.
The numbers have just. Oh, 61. Yeah, I suspect the numbers have just stopped. Up again.
Yeah.
We brought a lot of food and stuff with us because we just imagined that the prices on this would be crazy and that the quality probably wouldn't be great either. But I think we may have brought slightly too much.
No, we need that one.
Yeah, we need it for Lapland as well because, I don't know, we just imagined that everything's kind of like Disneyified where you're paying quadruple the price for pretty crappy food.
Whenever I thought this is us. And she's tiny, but it's cute. Back to the downstairs. Through the window.
I love it.
Come with us on our sleeper train to Lapland.
Just chuck the bags in. We're literally moving in 1 minute, so I'm just going to chuck these in. See you later, Helsinki.
See you later, Helsinki.
12 hours starts now.
Holy moly. They better not show me. Absolutely.
Don't be such a killjoy.
The thing is,
You're such a Grinch.
I am a Grinch, and I'm all for people having fun. 100%. Tickle me pink. Don't disrupt my sleep. So if they start running up and down, they'll be having a word with the
You're
Megmeister.
going to the wrong place if kids and everything annoy you.
I need my beauty rest. Also,
You sure do.
is there a restaurant on this?
Yeah. We're going to have some brekkie and everything, and we're going to look out at the view in the morning when it's all bright.
It's going to be the best 12 hours of my life.
Yeah, I know. It's going to be great. Wait, what?
Cheers! Good morning, jokes.
Right, so we had our little
We had our snack attack. Actually, we
our
didn't.
finish.
We had our first meal on this train. I just realized how much we're shouting. That meal sent me right up energy-wise. So, with that being said, I'm going to give you a little cabin tour.
Should take about 45 seconds.
So, welcome to cabin 607.
I have no idea.
213, I think it is actually.
208, 207.
208, 207, not even close. This is our cabin for the next 12 hours. We have chosen the best room, have we?
There's like
There's obviously
there's three options. You have economy, which God bless anyone who has to do economy for 12 hours.
Just sitting, is it?
Just a regular seat. You have this room minus the bathroom. And then you have this room plus the bathroom, and we went for plus the bathroom. There was very little difference in price between with and without the bathroom, so I just said
And
we
with
go
our,
for,
like,
and we have a shower.
We're
so.
like red wine. We become better with age. The difference between getting like a bathroom to ourselves for an extra tenner just seems more appealing to us. So yeah, just
So
for
you've
your
already
bother.
spent 100. I think it was 100. I
I
think
think
it was
it was
100.
€99.
Yeah, for the both of us with this for
Or
12
like
hours. Which,
€89 for the rooms downstairs, which Fiona will so very kindly show you later while I'm having a little nappy nap. So anyway, this is our room. It's the best room that you can get on the train. So you get 2 bunk beds. Bad thing is, if you are a solo traveller, you can only get
the cabin.
you
You
can only
pay
get
per
one
cabin.
Yeah.
You don't pay per
So
bed.
you can't share with someone, which you can do in when we went to, was it Thailand we went to?
I think it was Thailand.
Yeah, it was Thailand. Was it Thailand?
Mhm.
Oh my gosh, they're all meshing into one. So you can't share a cabin, which is kind of crappy, but you can definitely see the benefits to it. So first impression, everything is so clean, like the hotel quality.
And it's comfy, or at least it feels it.
Yeah.
Haven't slept in it yet, but
Like
I'm sure it'll be fine.
we don't expect much for like a train, but they're the same sheets that we had in our hotel, so very impressed with that. The bed is really comfy. Upstairs, I'm gonna have a little look. Fiona's upstairs, so
Upstairs.
this is my first time up here and my last. Oh, she's a little radio. Ooh, ooh, this is nice up here actually. Oh, this is actually nice up here.
You're gonna take it, aren't you?
Ooh.
I think this might be Megan's bed now.
This is actually quite comfy. It's weird being up this high, but it's nice.
If you want to, you can have it.
Thanks love, my hero. So up on the cabins then. So up on each bed, same downstairs. Same downstairs, same underneath. Basically.
Downstairs. This is the stairs she's talking about, by the way.
This is what you can afford in Ireland for €1,000 a month. Essentially.
Yeah, very much.
So in each bunk, you have a little section, which I love. I already have all my stuff set up downstairs, so I keep saying downstairs, but whatever. And then you have, Fiona will show you B-roll while I'm talking, but you have a alarm which you can set, like to wake you up, which is bloody awesome. A remote. I'm not too sure what the remote is for, but your remote. You have a night light. A night light. You have a plug. You have some more compartments to leave your crap. You have, yeah, they give you 2 towels and they give you a bottle of water and a comfy pillow. So that's the bed. Let's check the bathroom. I haven't seen it either, so we will see it together.
I got a mirror and everything. Did you get downstairs okay?
Got downstairs, okay. Got a mirror. Got an outfit check. Plan my lap on outfits. Right, so this is. Oh, we got hangers as well. Hangers.
It's the little things, huh?
So this is our bathroom. Oh my god. we don't have a shower. Ooh, the floors feel heated. Do we not have a shower?
No, mustn't have got one.
Or is this our shower?
What?
Is this our shower?
No, I don't. I mustn't have got one.
What are you saying?
Nothing.
That's not the shower. Oh.
That's the shower. You pull that out. No, I think there's a clip there on the side. Clip that. Clip that. And then I think it comes out and then it covers the toilet and then behind that is the shower. Would you like me to do it?
What the heck?
Take this. Take this. I'll do it.
Push.
Take this. Take this.
Glad I jumped in the Helsinki Sea.
Do this. This comes out.
Oh.
And then You have your shower and everything.
Oh my
Look it in somehow.
goodness!
And there's everything. In your shower.
Whoa! Jeez Louise, that's
Pretty good.
awesome!
Will I test it?
Sure, if
Give it a
that
test.
tickles you,
If that what, sorry?
tickles your fancy. Great start. I think it has to be locked or something. Ooh!
That's it.
Alright! Not bad.
It is. It's like really well designed for such a small space.
That's insane!
To be able to do all this.
I want that in my bedroom. That's an insane use of space.
Just does that.
Doesn't it look exactly like an airplane though?
That's the thing. It's small. It's actually smaller than a regular airplane toilet.
But there's more
Why
in
don't
it.
they do this?
Yeah. Because no one would get out.
No, I'll tell you why.
That's insane.
Money, money,
That
money.
is insane. I cannot believe that.
And then
And it closes.
that's it.
And then also, Fiona can continue this portion of the
I
trip.
don't know what else. Oh yeah, AC. Which usually when you're on one of these things, I don't expect it to work.
I don't even expect there to be one.
It just never works. If you do have one, but this one we put when we got here it was really warm, so we put it down to the lowest, and it's cooled down a lot.
Yeah, it was
So-
quite cold. It's right here, by the way. This thing right here.
So that works. Switch.
Yeah. Oh.
Imagine it didn't come back on. Power. I think there's power up here as well.
Yeah, but I already said that.
Yeah. And that's it.
Yeah, hangers.
I think
This.
for what was it, €99 for 2 people in Finland for a 12-hour journey.
That's-
You can't I don't. It couldn't be cheaper. I
Yeah.
don't think for what you're getting. So
Did we get food or no?
no food. We brought all our snacks with us.
We brought snacks. Fionn said there is a restaurant, and I know that now because there's a menu. There's all my stuff set up, guys. So it'll be like that. There's a menu. Yeah, I have the snack menu right beside me. And what? And what?
I also found out that the food can be delivered. So I'm expecting when I'm asleep at 2 a.m. to hear
Latte?
Is that how the Finnish sound?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm finishing this here. We're done.
Finishing it here. Ba-dum-pitch.
We have more things to show you later. Anyway.
And then this is the last part. There's a little seat here, there's a bin, there's all our snack attacks. And yeah, stairs. Babe, how do I lock it? Just opens. How do you lock it? We're gonna go check out the restaurant because I need a coffee right before I go to sleep.
It's midnight. Who needs a coffee at midnight? So yeah, we went and checked out the onboard cafe. Really nice, really clean. Here's the dining area and my new Finnish friend. But yeah, it was really nice. Ordered a little latte. Usual kind of like train prices. It was about €4-ish, something like that. Crack.
Oh shit, sorry. I'm an old woman now, what can I say?
After that, just had a quick stroll around the train. Here's the economy seats in case you do want to go super budget. Not sure I would recommend it for a 12-hour overnight train, but if you want to, they're there. Because we ended up boarding at like 11 p.m. before we knew it, it was time for bed.
Good night. That was funny, wasn't it? It was funny, wasn't it, babes?
This is crazy to say, kiddo, but we'll see you when that is the Arctic Circle. That's insane. Good night.
Good night.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Look at this. Just wait. This is why we chose this train and not the 7 p.m. train. Whoa.
That's why Fatty here is on my bunk.
We're gonna go get some brekkie.
I woke up this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend just you and me. It's been such a long time, but tomorrow's Christmas Day, and I am on my way. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you.
I'm surprised there's actually not a load of people up. Oh, do you feel that?
Yes.
So we were used to, what was it, minus 13 it got to was the worst?
Yeah.
It's currently like minus 26 in Rovaniemi, so that should be fun. Oh, you jump right there. We had like a nice little slow, relaxing morning, just watching the world go by. Some of the views here were just incredible. I actually didn't get the majority of them on camera, but honestly, I would recommend. We got up a little bit earlier so that we could sit in the cafe and watch the views go by. I would highly recommend it if you're going to take this train. Megan picked up these like pancake style things. They were €4.90. The usual. Not bad, not great. Did the job. Okay, I don't need a shower. I don't want a shower. But I do want to say I've had a shower on a train, so I'm going to give it a go.
I disagree, he does need a shower.
I don't.
Actually, that's the thing, it didn't smell like salt water. Well, maybe I was too cold. Who knows?
Like magic. What did you think of it, kiddo?
Yeah, that was fine.
It was hot.
It was warm.
Which I didn't expect.
Yeah.
And
you have to keep pressing a button, which is kind of annoying.
the only pain is that it lasts about 10 seconds. You have to keep pressing the button, and you can't press it while it's on, because that switches it off as well. So
they've got it rigged.
But it's good. Shower on the train. It's hot. Don't go when the train is turning though, because the water will go everywhere, which we learned. But yeah, overall. Ding.
Good day, dear passengers. About in 10 minutes, we will arrive in Rovaniemi, which is our terminus. I'd like to thank you, all of you, for this journey. Have a nice day, and hopefully we'll see you soon again.
Yes, you will. Because we're only have a couple of hours daylight. And tomorrow we're out. We're here.
That was
So much fun.
the fastest 12 hours we ever had. Easily could have done longer. I think we did 10 hours in Chiang Mai on a sleeper train, and that felt like 10 hours. This one went so quick. Where are we going? This way? This way? I would highly recommend 100% do this again. Oh, I'm nowhere near the door and I can feel that cold against my legs already.
Ooh, it smells like a lot of log fire. Oh, holy hell.
Can you feel it? Yeah.
I literally just said I'm wearing too many layers, but now I don't think I am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Enjoy the
Whoa.
Okay, yeah, it's much colder here.
Yeah. Wow.
Straight to Santa Claus Village.
So yeah guys, welcome to Rovaniemi, the home of Santa Claus. We're going to be here for the next few weeks in video terms, showing you every incredible excursion you can do in this part of the world, from snowmobiling to ice floating to husky sledding to meeting the big man himself, everything. We're going to finish this train video up here. We actually have a few more tips on this train journey in the following video. We just kind of couldn't fit it all into this one video because this video is nearly 20 minutes long as it is. So if you want to know a little bit more, make sure to check out our next video, which will literally start from this finish point right here. And if you want to see our experience in the south of Finland, in the capital Helsinki, make sure to check out our Finland playlist. The next few videos are going to be so fun, and we are so excited to release them because they were some of our favorite experiences we've ever had, traveling. And I don't say that lightly. So yeah, thank you so much for watching to the end. We really appreciate it. If you're new here, subscribe, like, share, comment, all the rest of it, and we will see you in a few days for an incredible adventure in Finnish Lapland. Thanks again. Bye.